Hello, my name is Elena. I'm 35 years old. I'm born in Russia, but I live in Thailand. And 6 months ago, I did the surgery at Kamol hospital. I needed to do face liposuction because I had huge chubby cheeks. So we did middle face lift, liposuction, under chin liposuction, and also we did a fat transfer under the eye area. I tried thread lifting, but the result doesn't last as long as I wanted. So I started to feeling getting old and I didn't like it. So I just decided to do surgery, but as less invasive as possible. So we decided to do Endotine method. Scars goes under the hairline, so you can't see nothing, and recovery is very fast. Later on, I added some thread lift for this, and I must say that surgery recovery was faster than a thread lift. During the consultation, hospital staff is very attentive. They help with any question you need. They always nearby you, so you don't have to worry about anything here. Recovery after the lift was much easier than after liposuction. So after the liposuction, face is swollen for a few weeks longer than facelift. I have zero regret about that, and I'm very happy about my decision. No one of my friends know what I did. I just disappeared for 1 year, and when I come back, everyone say just, "Wow, you look so great." I'm very happy about my decision, and if you can afford it, do it. That's it.